Imagine you get in a spaceship and just keep flying. Past the moon, past Pluto, past the Milky Way. Eventually, you have to hit a wall, right? An edge, a sign that says end of the universe. But if there is a wall, what's on the other side of it? And if there isn't a wall, does space just go on forever? Today, we are answering the biggest question in existence. What lies beyond the edge of the universe? And the answer might actually be nothing and everything at the same time. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Science Bunker. Here we simplify the most complicated science topics so anyone can understand them. A lot of you have asked, if the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? Does it have a center? And where exactly did the Big Bang happen? We're going to break down these mind-bending questions right now. First, let's look at the edge. Logic tells us that everything has a boundary, but the universe doesn't follow our logic. To understand this, look at the Earth. If you walk in a straight line on Earth, do you ever fall off the edge? No. You eventually end up right back where you started. The Earth is finite. It has a specific size, but it has no edge. Cosmologists believe the universe might be the same, just in higher dimensions. It could be finite, but curved onto itself. So, if you flew your spaceship in a straight line for billions of years, you wouldn't hit a wall. You might just end up back at Earth. This brings us to the next big question. If the universe is expanding, where is the center? Where did the Big Bang happen? When we think of an explosion, like a grenade, there is a center point where it starts, and shrapnel flies out into the air. But the Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space. Think of a balloon. Draw dots on it to represent galaxies. As you blow it up, every dot moves away from every other dot. If you were standing on any of those dots, it would look like you are the center and everyone else is moving away. So, to answer where did the Big Bang happen? The answer is, it happened right here, and there, and everywhere. Because everywhere was all packed into one tiny point at the beginning. Okay, but if the balloon is getting bigger, it's expanding into the air around it. What is the universe expanding into? This is where it gets tricky. By definition, the universe is everything. It includes all space, all time, and all matter. There is no outside for it to expand into. It is creating more space as it grows. However, there is a difference between the whole universe and the observable universe. Since light takes time to travel, we can only see things that are close enough for their light to have reached us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. The edge we see is just the limit of our vision. It's a time horizon, not a physical wall. Beyond that horizon, likely just more galaxies, more stars, and more space, forever. So, to summarize, the universe likely has no physical wall or edge. The Big Bang didn't happen at one spot, it happened everywhere. The edge we see is simply how far light has traveled so far. It's humbling to realize that no matter how far we look, there is always more to discover. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of reality, hit that like button. If you have more questions about the cosmos, leave them in the comments below. This is the Science Bunker, and I'll see you in the next one.